What's up, Hot Wheels community? We got ourselves the 2026 A-Case. It's a little damaged. Got a whole crease, but factory sealed. Never been opened before. So why don't we go ahead and pop this baby open and see what's inside. Oh yeah. I kind of know what to expect, but I kind of don't, because I haven't been looking into it. All right. Honda, Jeep, Ferrari. Okay, got a couple of Q-Case cars. Batmobile. Nice. Charger, Roger Dodger. And I believe we got ourselves a treasure hunt. Very nice. Look at that. A-Case treasure hunt. Already came damaged. Look at that. Oh well. Still a nice car. But this is a highlight for now, even though this is dope as hell. All right, quick chat, bouncing bass, instant boost. Very nice. Not a big fan of fantasy castings, but still nice. Bentley Continental, another F40, or just an F40. And then the Barbie Dream Camper. Okay. It's cool. It's cool, I like it. Another Bentley, Honda Civic Type R. And another Audi. We already got one, didn't we? Yes, we did. Second one. Nice. Pass and Go 911 Carrera and the Track Ripper. Really excited about the Carrera. Pretty sure we're going to open that one pretty soon. Let's keep it rocking. All right. Hot Wings, Land Rover, and another Honda Motocampo. Two of these already. Okay. Alfa Romeo, Mod Mill, and the McLaren W1. I dig the W1. W1's pretty cool. Did a good job with this casting. Carbonator, the Maserati Shamal, and the Land Rover Defender. We already got a couple of these, but it's cool. We're going to have doubles. Nice. 83 Silverado, Drift and Brake, and the Mustang Shelby GT500. This one seems to be super popular out there. Glad we got it. I don't have it yet, but I would do it. I do now. And to end the first part of the case is the McMurdy, the RD06, and the Polestar. Alrighty, let's take a look what's on the other side of the case. Let's see what we got. Nice. Chevy Impala with some dirt in there. Some schmutz in there from factory. Okay, that's cool. It's cool. Another Hot Wings, another Land Rover Defender. Some fantasy stuff here. Instant Boost, Decidedly Go, and Solar Reflex. Not the biggest fan of these, but it is what it is. Here we go. Lamborghini Centenario, the Giulia, and the Street Shrieker. So excited about this one. I don't have this one either. Really glad I finally got it. All right. Sushi Tuner, Roadster, and another Batmobile. Two Batmobiles now. Okay. Here's a repeat of the last Super Treasure in the last case, which is the RS200 Pontiac Aztek. And another decidedly go. Alrighty, what do we got here? We got the 911 Carrera clip, Bouncing Bass, and another GTB4. Moving forward with the Pass and Go, Mod Mill, and the T-Rex Transporter. I think we already got 3 of these. Kind of weird, but alright. Gordon Murray Automotive. What's going on over here? Lots of defects. Mach E 1400 and the T3 Custom. Nice. Couple of repeats. Glad to have a second Silverado. Another coupe clip, another 40. The Drift Under, not the Super. Didn't luck out this time. Oh well. Maybe next time, right? Very nice. Another Porsche. Glad we got another Porsche because I really want to open that one. And then last but not least, Diora 2, another T3 Custom, and the Ford RS200. Look at that. So just a regular treasure hunt. No Super in this case, but it's okay. We're going to take a look at highlights maybe a little later on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.